Do you ever feel like you're falling behind financially? Like, no matter what you do, you're stuck playing catch up. You're not alone, and what you're about to hear might completely change how you see your financial progress. Let's break down how the average American is really doing with money, and you might just find you're doing better than you think. On this channel, we simplify money, investing, and personal finance so you can take control of your future. If that sounds good, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's kick things off with income. The average full-time worker in the U.S. earns about $1,041 per week, or roughly $52,000 a year, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. That's about $26 an hour before taxes. Keep in mind that's individual income, not household. Now let's talk about something even more critical. Retirement savings. The Federal Reserve reports the median retirement balance among all U.S. adults is $65,000. But that only includes people who actually have a retirement account. Shockingly, around 25% of Americans have none at all. Using the 4% rule, $65,000 would generate just $12,600 per year in retirement income. For those under 25, the median is around $1,086. Ages 25 to 34, roughly $14,000. And even those aged 65 plus only average about $88,000. Meanwhile, experts say you'll likely need $500,000 or more to retire comfortably. Here's the good news: just saving consistently and investing wisely puts you way ahead of the average person over time. Now, let's look at Social Security. The average monthly benefit is around $1,550, but that depends on how much you earned and when you choose to collect. For many retirees, this is their only source of income. If you're relying solely on Social Security, you'll probably have to keep working in retirement just to cover the basics. How about spending? The average U.S. household spends about $5,170 per month, or around $67,000 per year. That includes $1,885 a month on housing, $691 on food, $9 to $13 on transportation. That's a lot. And if your income isn't matching up, it's easy to fall behind. Now let's talk about credit scores. The average FICO score is 715. Surprisingly decent, but don't get too comfy. Your credit score affects your mortgage rate, car loan, and even whether you get approved for an apartment. The biggest factor: paying on time, followed by credit utilization, length of history, credit mix, and new credit inquiries. Now here's something scary. The average U.S. household has about $9,260 in credit card debt, according to WalletHub. And with interest rates of 15% to 25%, that debt is expensive. That's money not being invested. And worse, money is likely spent on things with little or no long-term value. So what's the fix? Pay your balances in full. Don't buy what you can't afford, or better yet, use a debit card. Let's talk about net worth, your total assets minus your liabilities. According to the Federal Reserve, median U.S. net worth is $122,000. Under 35 asks $13,900, age 35 to 44. $91,000, age 45 to 54, $168,000, age 55 to 64, $212,000, age 65 to 74, $266,000. You don't need to be rich to beat the average. You just need a steady income and a little discipline. Now let's talk about savings. The average person saves about 6% of their income, according to the Bureau of Economic Analysis. That includes saving for everything: retirement, emergencies, and future purchases. But here's the issue. Average down payment on a home? $62,000 average kitchen renovation? $26,000 average new car? Over $47,000. Experts recommend saving 15% of your income for retirement alone more if you want to retire early. Speaking of retirement, the average retirement age is 61, but full Social Security benefits don't kick in until 67. That means most people are retiring with less income and relying on savings that likely aren't enough. And let's be real, you want to enjoy life after retirement, not just survive. Here's the bottom line. If you're feeling behind, you're not alone, but knowing these numbers gives you a huge advantage. Because once you know where you stand, you can actually take control. And the truth is, if you're saving, investing, and being intentional with your money, you might already be doing better than the average person. If this video helped you understand your finances better, drop a like and subscribe, because we're just getting started. Your future self will thank you.